Meaning of disturbance.
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 Disturbance. Disturbance refers to a disruption or interference that causes a disturbance in the normal functioning of something. The result of a disturbance can vary greatly depending on the context in which it occurs. For example, in ecology, a disturbance can refer to a natural disaster such as a hurricane or wildfire, which can alter the structure and composition of an ecosystem. In psychology, a disturbance can refer to a mental health disorder that causes significant distress or impairment in functioning. Regardless of the context, disturbances typically lead to changes or disruptions that can have both positive and negative effects.